Alright, so welcome back, and in this video I'll show you how you can set up the training. Alright, so you have an option to do your own training so that people will going to know you and will going to know your platform that you are selling. So we have given you an option or a platform also for you to add a training on your own website. Okay, so if we go to our Cosmic Lab Store, right, so let's go to Cosmic Lab Store, right, and I'll going to log in yet. Okay, this is okay, so I'll going to go to the admin account, and if you will going to notice here, there is a guide, right? There's a guide and there is a training, right? So we are allowing you, or we are giving you a way for you to create this own training. So the guide here, as you can see, this is already fixed and it can be changed, and you have an option to show this guide to your own website or to your own platform or not. And we are also going to give you an avenue for you to create your own tutorial, your own guide by having your own training. As you can see here, training. So the guide here is fixed, it can be changed, but you have an option not to show this one. And we are going to give you an avenue where you can create your own training here, right? So this is a good way for you, so that your customer, because if you are just using the guide, your customer might know me because I'm the one who created the guide. So if the customer will going to see that video, and naka-YouTube kasi yan, maybe he will go to my YouTube channel. So that would be a disadvantage for you in your part. However, you can opt to hide your guide, and then you have an option to create your own guide by having the training. Alright? So as you can see in here, in your reseller account, under the settings and in training, you would notice that there is a show guide here and show training checkbox here. So if you uncheck this guide here, the guide will be hidden from the option. So for example, so this is Cosmic Lab Store. If we go to your website, so in this example, your website is yung ginawa natin, yung POS para sa lahat. Right? So if you go here, and nakalagin naman ata yung client, si Juan de la Cruz, no? So ilagin natin, Juan de los Reyes. So ilagin muna natin back si Juan de los Reyes sa website mo. So here, yes, Juan de los Reyes, lagin natin. And then if we go to admin account ni Juan de los Reyes, merong guide dito. So you can hide that one. Kasi ang makikita ni Juan de los Reyes dito is yung mga videos na create ko. Although wala yung mukha ko dito, but still mas okay pa rin kung ikaw talaga yung gumawa ng training. So that's why we offer you a solution or an other option. So if you uncheck this one and you click his save, and if i-refresh natin tong account ni Juan de los Reyes, ayan. Sorry. So we go to nawala yung ano dito. Personal, admin, ayan. So if we go back here, and as you can see here, nawala na yung guide section dito. Diba? Kasi in-uncheck natin here. If we click this one, and then we save, refresh natin, ayan, bumalik yung guide section. Pwede niyang makita. So ngayon, I would encourage you to uncheck this guide. Okay? Pero of course, kung hindi ka pa nakagawa ng training, then you can use the guide muna temporarily. But I would highly encourage you to create your own training. So you show your training here. Okay? So, and then you save it. And then if we refresh this account ni Juan, ni Juan, let's go back here and go back here. I don't know bakit nangyayari yon. So if we go back here, ayan, nawala na yung guide, si training na lang natira. Pero pag click ito ng prospect mo or ng client mo, walang laman yung training section niya. So ikaw lang gagawa ng training ngayon. So paano gagawin yon? So you need to create a YouTube account. Okay, so this is my YouTube account, and if I go to my YouTube studio, so you need to create your own YouTube channel kasi doon mo i-upload yung mga videos mo for your training. And in here, hindi ko na ituturo kung paano mag-upload dito ha, kasi marami naman there's tons of tutorial in YouTube mismo kung paano gumawa ng YouTube channel, paano mag-upload ng videos, and then you also need to create anong tawag dito? Content, and you need also to create your playlist. So, mag-upload ka ng mga videos dito and you create playlist. Alright? So, one of my playlist here is itong gratis training program. So, this is the tutorial. No? Kapag i-click natin ito, yan. So, this is the tutorial na naka-upload doon sa aking training section sa Cosmic Lab Store. Kasi sa akin yung Cosmic Lab Store. Sa'yo, depende sa ipapangalan mo. Like for example, in this example, itong si seller na to, o reseller na to, si POS para sa lahat. So, walang laman yung training niya. Pero, if we go to Cosmic Lab Store, in my own application or in my own software, ayan, cosmiclabstoreyan.com, makikita mo dito at the training part, ayan, may training ito, ayan, nandito yung mga training. Ito mga training na to, doon yan naka-upload sa aking YouTube account. Right, so let's go back here. Ayan, yan yun sila. So, important matters, no? Ito yung lesson 1, lesson 2, video 1, video 2, so on and so forth. Now, you create this one. No, I'm not going to show you how to create this playlist, itong section na to, because there are tons of videos naman sa YouTube. So, pwede mong mag-search sa YouTube, okay, how to create a playlist in YouTube. Okay, there's a tons of video out there. So, hindi ko ituturo yan because marami na dyan eh. Okay? And that's not part also of my platform na. So, ituturo ko lang dito yung sa platform mismo. So, you create your own playlist of your training. So, gawa ka na ng training, mga videos, mag-record ka, and then you upload it here. And then, once you have finished that one, you just need to go to your reseller account, and then in the setting, in the training, pwede ka na mag-add dito ng training. So, add module ka, i-click mo itong add module, and then you're going to show here the module title. So, ano ba yung module title? Balik muna tayo doon sa aking Cosmic Lab Store. And as you can see here in the training, diba? May module. Module 1, may video 1. So, si module 2, may video 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. So, pwede mo niyang i-set up ng ganyan dito sa reseller account. So, sa YouTube, as you can see here in my YouTube account, ito actually yung mga videos na to. Alright? So, all you're gonna need to do is to click the add plus add module. Lalabas na dito yung title. So, paano ko ginawa ito? Alright? So, yung module 1, ang title ko is Watch This First. Diba? So, i-copy ko na lang to para masample natin dito sa magiging website mo. So, wala tong training topics, diba? So, ang title ng module 1 ko is Watch This First. So, yan yung ilalagay ko. Copy ko lang yan ha. So, yun yung ilalagay ko para makita mo doon sa iyong sariling website or sariling platform. And then, you add video here. Click para merong video, which in my case, meron akong important matters na video na dito sa module number 1. So, module number 1, video number 1 ako ngayon. So, ito yung module number 1 mo, video number 1. Paano yung YouTube ID? Saan yan kukunin? Of course, yung title ng video mo. So, punta tayo sa YouTube. And this is probably my video number 1, right? Yung important matters. So, i-click ko yan. And then, let's, lang muna. And then, as you can see here, at the upper portion, no, dito, or pwede mo ring tingnan yan doon sa, sige, na lang, dito. So, lakihan ko lang. As you can see here, you would see itong V, no? Itong V equals itong after ng V. Yan yung YouTube ID mo. And the best way to get the YouTube ID is, hanapin ko lang ha. The best way to get your YouTube link or YouTube ID is basically you can click this tatlong button dito sa gilid. Ay, hindi pala kita. Sorry. So, click mo itong tatlong button sa gilid and then share. You click the share and then nandito makikita mo after nitong HTTPS, YouTube, no? Lakihan lang natin para makita mo ng husto. Ayan. After dito, di ba, youtube.b na may / ka, pwede mong i-highlight yan. Yan. yung section na yan, before ng, ng question mark, yan yung YouTube ID mo. So, i-copy mo yan, i-copy, and then, balik ka doon sa yung reseller account, then you put here your YouTube ID. You paste it here. Ay, sorry. Nakikita. So, you paste it here, yung YouTube ID mo. Yung title, of course, yung title ng, ng video mo. So, my title here is ito. Click open na lang natin. This is my title. Ikaw nang bahalang magkuha ng title mo. And then you paste it here. So, if I click save here, right? There you have it. Na-save na. And then, balik ako doon sa yung website. Sa sample na website ng customer mo. Refresh natin yan. And then, for some reason, I don't know anong nangyari dyan. So, refresh lang natin. Ayan, refresh natin. And then, nandito na yung training. And if we click that one, there you have it. Meron na kaagad training videos. And you can add more module here. Click mo itong module. And then, pwede ka rin every module, pwede ka mag-add ng multiple videos. Ayan, i-click mo lang yan. So on and so forth kung meron kang ganong arrangement. So, that's how you can create this one. So, madali lang. Pero ang makatatagalan ka lang yung pag-create mismo ng video. Alright? So, I hope na nasundan mo ng mabuti. If you haven't followed yet, then don't hesitate to chat me in our official fan page dito sa fan page ko, where you have messaged me for the reseller program. And you can also text me. Meron ka naman sigurong mobile number ko when you register to Cosmic Live Store. Alright? So, thank you.